Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is ninth question of its exercise 2.4. So the question says that a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. So let the age of granddaughter be x. So age of grandfather is equal to 10 times है, so 10x. Then according to the question, he is also 55 years older than her, so x plus 54 is equal to 10x. So x को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे, so 10x minus x is equal to 54. So 9x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54 by 9. So इसे कैंसिल हो जाएगा 6 times. So x is equal to 6. So age of granddaughter is equal to x is equal to 6. Age of grandfather is equal to 10x is equal to 10 into 6 is equal to 60 years. Thank you.